Good morning, my beautiful people. This morning I'm making some rice and peas with fried chicken. So we just start the video a while ago and said, let me just go now inside the yard man thing. The yard man still a film just because the season of the rain. Yeah, we planned this morning, so we'll do some cooking on the seaside, but unfortunately we have to just give Mother Nature its chance to do what it has to do. You understand? So right now, I go on, I wash up the rice. I show you I wash up the rice and also the chicken. So people, yard man, I make some mango juice. Eat with some ginger in it and things. So I show you that when I reach that point. So I make it defrost because I slice up the mango them. Chicken on the side also. Already seasoned. So fry me or fry next. So yeah. Always don't know the yard man have to show you something. Yeah, sweet Jamaica. That's where the yard man is. Yeah, the vibes in a month or few. Yard man will kick out back in the America space. So don't know yard man come a yard. Yeah, come vibes. So the chicken they are going defrost in the meantime. So now show you now. Early do the coconut them in the blender. And then go now inside that coming in decide to do some flaming here. So up on the seaside, and do it. But when I don't cook and thing, I'll show you how the hard man do it when you share it out. So I do some rice and peas with coconut milk freshly picked. Coconut freshly picked off the tree this morning. As you can see, I'll zoom up here and show you which part I pick the coconut. Yeah, people, that's where I picked the coconut this morning from that tree, the middle tree there. Yeah, so that's where I get the coconut milk. The coconut from to make my coconut milk. I blend it to get that rich Jamaican milky coconut juice. So the hard man have him in the pot to cook up with some peas. So after that, the hard man will put in the rice. So peeps, the hard man I wash the rice, it's a once yard I come do a little video, Wash the rice, so as you can see, I put in the pot make it go on yolk. Alright. Throw off here now and then we get it in the pot, you understand? Yeah people, so yard man I'll throw in the rice in the pot. Fire hot, red hot. Yeah. Yard man I keep it real because you don't know. Throw in the rice. In the pot, Yard man style. As always, Yard man ever cooking good food. This is the authentic Jamaican way, but me know I'm doing the original way. On the wood fire outside. But today, rain all day look like. Rain all day. Yeah people, so give my final stir. And then cover him up making cook down. Yard man way, Yeah. Yeah people, as you can see my rice and peas done, shelly. Alright, so this is wait pan if we go and simmer down a little, you understand? But we will fry the meat in the meantime. Now the fry pot over here so just go and stick stay watch the video, and please as always remember to like, subscribe and share my videos, and always remember that Yardman is always cooking. Yardman is so creative. Okay? Yeah my people, so I'm going to shred up some cabbage to make my salad. Yardman way, Shred up the cabbage. Them cabbage are the real type of cabbage, Yeah. Real cabbage. Yeah man, Yardman is here in Jamaica. Having a grand time, Cooking up a storm. And the weather morning. Don't know. Shred up the cabbage. Yeah, man. Yes, so yard man is always cooking the right food, you know? And sharing it once and once them. Yard man style, you know? Cooking up a storm as always today. And the weather is day, you know? So I shred up the cabbage them as you can see. Shred up the cabbage. Then I grate the carrot there. Yeah, people. This is how the hard man do it. Nice cabbage, you know. And cabbage, yeah, come from out of the garden, you know. That's how you do it. That's how you chop cabbage to make a salad on your side, you know. The hard man doing it right. The authentic way, you know. The Jamaican way. Yeah, early morning cook up. Cause I went to go out on the seafront this morning to do some cooking, but the rain is on us, outdoor cooking. The rain is on us, so it's not possible for today. So yeah, man, just do it at home, you know. Alright, so as you can see, yard man is getting it right. So people, yard man, I fry up the chicken and now rice and peas done already. See it there? Yeah. Yard man, I go and fry up the chicken there in the meantime. So step by step, I give you an insight of all the step I make. You understand? So chicken I fry. Cabbage shred up nicely. As you can see, yard man style. Yeah man, yard man is always cooking at all times. So I have one little piece of cabbage that I suffer to shred. This piece of I shred it up and grate the carrot and I show you how it looks when it's done. Okay? Yeah, my beautiful people, look at the yard man salad. You know, so the yard man always get it right, which is right. Alright, good old salad, and carrot and the cabbage shredded together. So now I'm going to show you over in the pot where the chicken in my progress. Yeah, people, so the chicken them are going to fry up. In the meantime, yeah, rice and peas over so looking lovely, Shelly. Yeah, so the yard man are going to fry up the chicken them in the meantime. Turn that one, yeah. On the other side. Turn that one, yeah. Yeah, people. Yard man put a go and yuk. Go down. So we are give him some time to finish off. Yeah, so in the meantime. Yeah, we told you catch a fire a while ago, people. Yeah, so yard man fire. Go and kick up, you know. The pot go and cook up. Alright. Rice and peas over here, so. See how shelly it look, people. Wow. The yard man I wait to start consume up some good old fried chicken and rice and peas. Jamaican way coconut milk cook down in it. Also coconut milk in the yard man. Chicken when you fry up. I go and yolk up in the meantime, you see me? So we just go and wait for him until he come forth. Dish it out and show how you look in the yard man plate. Okay. Yeah people, so the yard man I go and blend up some juice in the meantime. Yard man we are in the ninja blender. Ninja blender. Yeah man. Yard man I will get it right, you know? Alright, people. Yeah, I'm gonna go and blend up the mango juice. In the meantime, oh, making go and run in the meantime. Just strain it off and making us see it look. And dish out the food in the meantime, you know? So people, the yard man, food ready. How beautiful it looks in the plate. Tasty. Don't know, so the yard man always get it right as always. You know, so me have to share a little bit and me touch. We don't know. Yeah. You know, see that the yard man is always cooking and is still above his craft. Yeah man, the yard man always get it right at all times. Alright. So please remember to like, subscribe and share out the yard man video. Okay? So I am going to show you the juice with I man or drink up with the rice and peas. Alright? So hard man food steam still a come from it. Yeah man, beautifully done. Look at the carrot and all the juice, coconut juice. Yeah man, cook down a tomato and all of that. And coconut juice, everything cooked down to one right level. Yeah man, the food looks so delicious and tasty too. Okay, so I man will show the item. I juice or I do drink. Yeah, the good old mango juice with ginger. Yeah people, I man food and I man juice in our jar, mango juice. Authentic Jamaican way with ginger. A little touch of sugar. Yeah. Wicked juice people. Wicked juice. Yeah man, natural. You know, when you're there yard, everything just natural, no chemicals, you know. Organic, you know. Naturally grown, take a long time to grow. Mango, pick from the tree. With its natural sugar. I just put a little touch of sugar to bring up the taste, but yeah, this is it people. Mango juice. And as always, like, comment and share out the yard man videos. Okay? Thanks for watching.